guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Aishwarya. So as the title says, today I'm going to talk about my June favorites. So when I sat down to make a list of things that I really enjoyed in June, I couldn't come up with a proper things and proper stuff and proper list. But there were few interesting things that I thought were too interesting to not share. That's why this video. So let's just get into this video. So number one thing is how to cut a mango. Now I have been using a very traditional method जो बचपन से सिखाया जाता है. Like for example, if I ask you how you cut a mango, the answer is very simple. You start cutting it vertical like that and then like make a pieces of it. But something really interesting happened when I told my brother, my younger brother Aryan, to cut a mango for me. I was like, you know what, let's eat mango. और मैंने इतने आम खाए हैं ये सीजन. एक तो I was at home, मैं घर पे थी. Usually I am in Pune in summers, but this time I was at home, so I ate mangoes every single day throughout the summer. No wonder I gained 2 kgs, but I think it was worth it. Anyway, so I told my brother to like cut me a mango, and he started cutting it horizontal. And I was like, are you mad? What are you doing? And then he showed me this very interesting technique to cut a mango. As you can see in the video right now, I have started cutting it horizontal. तो ऐसे cut करते जाएंगे, and then there is this katori like thing that comes out of a mango, and then you can eat a mango with a spoon, which is so freaking interesting. And I thought I should definitely share. I know the mango season is almost over, but जितना भी बचा है, जितना भी possible है, खा लो यार. और definitely try out this method. मैंने तो बड़ा enjoy किया यार ऐसे, like you hold a mango like that and eat it like this. I think it's so freaking interesting. So definitely check it out. Number 2, अभी food की बात चली रही है, तो let's talk about drinks. So I was at my Maushi's place in Nagpur, and my mommy made this drink for me. It's a alcoholic drink. Anyway, she made this drink for me. I have इसके पहले tried vodka with soda and lime, but this time my mommy added a little bit of beer to it, which took it to some another level. I'm not even kidding. So you take a vodka and put some lemon juice and then put some soda and then add a little bit of beer to it, and believe me, it's such an amazing cocktail. हालांकि मैंने एक ही बार पिया है. I don't drink usually. मैं बहुत ऐसा पीते हैं I'm not that person, but I like to try different drinks. I like to try out different cocktails. So yeah, I think I really liked it. So if you're somebody who drinks and like vodka, definitely try it with beer. It is really, really good. Number 3 is this cute little store and brand called Zudio. I came across this brand and store in Nagpur, and oh my god, I'm in love with that store. I like saste sundar tikau kapde. I like very pocket friendly clothes. So Zudio for me is like Jannat, because they are so freaking cute. The clothes, there are 2 cute t-shirts and like dresses and all of that. It's too cute, and definitely if you have Zudio in your city, definitely check it out. It's very pocket friendly and very, like, I don't know how to say it, fashionable. Like it's in trend with what's happening right now, and colors बड़े अच्छे हैं वहाँ के. मतलब you can get variety of colors. And yeah, just check it out, Zudio. I don't know if it's available online या online वो ship करते हैं कि नहीं, मुझे I have no idea about it. But if I'm not wrong, we have a store in Pune, but I'm not sure. मैं सिर्फ नागपुर के store में गई हूँ, and they are really, really good. So if you have Zudio in your city, like I said, definitely check it out. Number 4th is this cute little earpiece from Posh Affairs. It's a Instagram store, small business kind of a thing, and they have all sorts of jewelry there. I think it's visible. I put a picture, and they have these variety of neck pieces and ear pieces and like so many of other things, and very reasonable. I think I got this for 200 rupees if I'm not wrong, and I am in love with this cute little thing. It looks so cute and very elegant. So if you're somebody who is into like earpieces, definitely check that page out. I'll try to link that in my description नीचे. उसका Instagram page है जहाँ से मैंने ये purchase किया है. So definitely go and check it out. So now let's talk about movies and series. To be very honest, I did not watch anything new in the month of June. Like not lot of new things, few of new things though. I actually rewatched lot of the old stuff. Like I rewatched Brooklyn Nine-Nine. I rewatched few episodes and few seasons of The Office, the American one. I absolutely love it. तो पुरानी चीज़ें मैंने बहुत बार देखी. But नए में I watched this show on Netflix. It's called Elite. I think Spanish. I'm not sure. I think it's Spanish. मैं तो subtitle से देख रही थी ऐसा. So I think it was Spanish. And ठीक है यार. To be very honest, I enjoyed watching it. I felt it was kind of a combination of How to Get Away with a Murder and Gossip Girl. On that note, if you haven't seen How to Get Away with a Murder, God, you have to. I watched it last year in the lockdown, and oh my God, I'm in love with that show. So basically, it's about this law professor, Annalise Keating, who is a boss lady, by the way. I absolutely love her. I love smart women. So this Annalise Keating, who is a very smart, independent lawyer and a law professor, who teaches criminal law, to which she also calls How to Get Away with a Murder 101, which is so freaking interesting. और तो वो पढ़ाती है, शी इज़ अ प्रोफेसर, एंड उसके ही क्लास के 5 बच्चे उसके ऑफिस में इंटर्नशिप कर रहे हैं. सो दीज आर 5 लॉ स्टूडेंट्स हु वर्क फॉर हर एज वेल. और उनसे एक मर्डर हो जाता है जो एनालिस कीटिंग के हस्बैंड का होता है. सो दे किल, so all those 5 interns kill their boss's husband, which makes it really interesting. वो अपने टीचर के हस्बैंड को मार देते हैं, and they are studying how to get away with a murder, and they are trying to get away with a murder, which makes it really interesting. बहुत suspense, बहुत turns and twists है. If you are into crime, suspense, thriller, definitely check it out. I think it's still available on Netflix. I'm not sure, but शायद है. तो वो देखो. Elite ठीक है, but वो definitely देखो. Another new thing that I watched Lord of the Rings. Yes, I finally watched the Lord of the Rings. I know मैंने अभी तक नहीं देखा था, जिसकी वजह से मैं बहुत गालियाँ भी खाती थी. All my brothers हमेशा जब ये बात निकलती थी कि Lord of the Rings देखा है कि नहीं, they would always like kind of disown me कि oh my God, how can you not watch that show? So I sat down with my brother one day and I watched it. I only watched the first part though. I want to watch the next 2. And yeah, I really liked it. I mean, come on. It's a really great movie. Anyway, so this is about movies and series that I watched in the month of June. और मैंने जून में क्या किया यार? I did this. Yes, I listened to this very beautiful cover of फासले ऐसे भी होंगे. I'll try to put that link in the description box below. Please check it out. It's so beautifully sung. Yeah, I was checking that out. My father sent me the link of that a few days back on 11th of June, to be very specific, because I can see it right now. And it's a very beautiful cover. It's sung by Prithvi Gandharva, ऐसा ही कुछ है शायद. और गुलाम अली जी की ये गज़ल है, फासले ऐसे भी होंगे, ये कभी सोचा ना था, सामने बैठा था मेरे और वो मेरा ना था, something like that. It's so beautiful, oh my God. So I'll also try to link that in the description box below. So if you are into ghazals and all of that, please check it out. Other than that, I think it was a very fun month because I got to visit Nagpur, which happens to be my favorite place on earth. So I had a lot of fun there. I met my mama, mummy, my maushis and all of that, and we had so much fun. That's it. These were my June favorites. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, Peter. Yeah, oh my God, have I not told you this yet? I had this very weird phase. I still have that phase, but अभी थोड़ा सा कम हो रहा है. When I used to talk like that. Bye, Peter. Hi, Peter. Nuko, Peter. Like that. So, oh my God. On that note, bye bye.